somewhere and then handle the animal. So like this you have to handle. Here you have to hold like this. You see mouth is open now. You can administer easily the drugs orally or maybe. Okay. So now if we are holding like this, again we should not hold for longer time. Otherwise he will feel pain and he will try to defense and he can cut you. He can bite you. So again you have to not to hold for longer time. Now you will take and do the apparatus.
Stop watch there.
If someone want to take another
Stop
one,
watch.
he can take. Stopwatch लगाओ कोई एक person.
Stop watch लाओ.
Stopwatch रखो for 5 minutes. Counting, you see, counting is started already. When I make them sit here, counting is started. Now how many rotation is fast. See after handling, after sitting like here, you have to start. Now counting start. Just sufficient. Only to control animal only. Now stopwatch you have to see in 5 minutes how much time counting it is. So that counting you have to note down. Not now. This is just my that protocol. You have to perform that time. You have to notice this reading. This is just to show you how to do it.
इसकी स्टैंडर्ड स्पीड रहेगा
25 rpm for rat, 10 rpm for mice. Because mice is tiny, so for them we have to take less speed. For rat we can be 25 rpm. So we will try to save him until his muscle strength is good. After some time, everyone can be tired. So the same physiology is there. After some time they will be tired and they will fall off. So that is not a disease. That's why we have to give cut off time. 5 minutes. Within that 5 minute limit we have to check the muscle strength. Next time, in one protocol we cannot increase the speed. If we want to check in higher speed, the next animal first we increase the RPM, then only we make them sit, then we will note. You can note that 10 RPM, this much fall time is there. In 25 RPM, this much fall time is there. Like that we can do. In between we should not increase. In between, if we are increasing, that means your protocol is going to be disturbed. So in between, we should not disturb our protocol. These are control animal. Their muscle strength is absolutely good. So if you are keeping 5 minute time, they will keep running. They will not fall. Your stopwatch is working, no? Someone kept it?
Stopwatch ला लिए.
एक मिनट नंतर राहील
टाईमनुसार मोजारे 30 सेकंद सोडा 5.5 मिनिटमध्ये.
Now see, they got an idea how to walk on the treadmill like that. Now he is little bit tired. See, he stopped. Now reading will not go up. You can easily notice whenever you got to know that okay, he is fall. Sometimes what we do, we make them sit and we just do something. Then the reading is going on. If he fall, we cannot we find the accurate reading. So if he fall, it will stop. Not to worry. Whenever you come back, you say, oh, that time he has fallen. Then you can take that reading. Come out. Is hearing because while we are doing no experiments on animal, single person should be there. Also that person should be standing a little distance. This much crowd should not be there because see how he is hearing. So like if really we are doing our experiments on real project, that time no crowd should be there, no sound should be there, only peace, everything peace, not that much light is there. So behavioral study room is different. So whenever you want to do the behavioral study, you take animal to that room, and there no one should be, your mobile phone should be on silent, little this much light should not be there, and single person allowed that time. Here just we are learning, so this much crowded. Now you see behavior will change. You will not get the real reading what you supposed to get. Okay. So if you are working on real project, that time you should be take care of all those things. Otherwise you are not getting accurate or good results. Because their behavior is just like the human behavior. If a small kid at home is just familiar with the family member, if some persons will came, our relatives will came, he will keep crying all the time. He will not keep quiet. So like that they are having.
Time is over, ma'am.